Hello, Namaskar. Welcome back on my YouTube channel, guys. And I hope everyone will be good. And the good news for international traveler who wants to travel for India, the government of India has issued an advisory for all airlines regarding the restore of tourist visas for foreign tourists arriving into the country. This comes after the government of India has reinstated for the visa 5 year e-tourist visa for visitors of 156 countries and regular papers visas for all countries. It is worth mentioning that both tourists' visas were suspended since March 2020 due to the coronavirus pandemic, but now nationals of these countries will also be eligible for the issue of a fresh e-tourist visa. And the e-tourist visa under the three options 1 month, 1 year, and 5 years, which remained suspended since March 2020, shall stand restored to nationals of 156 countries as indicated in annexure with immediate effect. Nationals of these 156 countries will also be eligible for the issue of fresh e-tourist visas, regular paper valid tourist visa issued to foreign nationals of all countries which remained suspended since March 2022 shall stand restored. Fresh regular paper tourist visa are also allowed to be issued by Indian posts brought to all foreign nationals. Old valid long duration 10 years regular tourist visa shall stand restored only for the nationals of the USA and Japan. Fresh long duration 10 years tourist visa can also be issued to the nationals of the USA and Japan. And the long duration 10 years regular tourist visa issued to Canadian nationals before March 2022 will continue to remain suspended. Canadian nationals will be eligible for fresh regular tourist visa except for 10 years long duration tourist visas, and the foreign nationals or tourist visa would be permitted to enter India only through designated airports ICPS by flights including those under the Vande Bharat mission or air bubble scheme or by any flights as allowed by the DGCA for Ministry of Civil Aviation. And these instructions will not be applicable to Afghanistan nationals who will continue to come on emergency X mask visa. And the guys, this is the information. If you like the information, please hit like button, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you next video.